So today, I'll be working on the 2000 Ford Excursion today. Discovered that it was leaking antifreeze, and that's not good for the environment. Obviously, it's not good for the engine. So anyway, found out I traced the leak down to the coolant reservoir bottle. You see right here, in this area right here is where it was leaking from. It must have a crack, because it only leaks when it gets hot. It must make the crack expand, and it was running down and spraying all over because it was hitting the belt as well. Old bottle, old hose, things like that. So those will be gone, and that'll be that. The person that generally films me doing this is off working, so I'm gonna have to pause you guys and do the work, so I don't have a tripod. Okay, I found a little tripod, and so I'm going to be using that, but I want to show you real quick exactly what I've done so far to the truck, to change the coolant reservoir. As you all possibly already know, there's a drain plug underneath on the bottom of the radiator, and you just loosen that, take that out. Gravity drains out the coolant reservoir. I'm going to get back to work and take you guys along for the journey. There's 2 bolts down there that I need to take out. I've already taken the one out that's up here. That's been taken out already. So anyway, here we go. So yeah, I don't want to remove the battery, so had to go and get a combination of extensions, right? So I can get these 2 out here. Then we're going to go underneath the truck, take the hose off, and go from there. So now that that's loose, got to go underneath the truck and see about loosening that up and getting that out. Get the hose off, and I'll show you guys the new parts. So now we're going to go underneath the truck. There's nothing like not having your person who helps you filming here with you, but she's not here. We're gonna have to make do. So I'm not sure if you can see that or not, but it's the hose right there, the far hose that I need to disconnect. Hopefully you can see that. Look at that. It's dripping antifreeze. Go figure. Right? Thought I drained it all out, but I guess I didn't. I'll try and move the bucket over. Well, that didn't go well. I'm gonna have to clean that up now. You see the good, the bad, and the ugly. Okay, here we go. Start filling it up, and then start it up. See what happens. By the way, I have Ford green. I don't know if you can see this or not, but it's 50-50. So specifically the color green for a 2000 Ford Excursion. I'm not using a funnel because I don't have one at the moment for this. It's contaminated with oil. And as you know, you don't want any contaminants in your coolant system. So that's the reason for that. There's There's 1 gallon. Here comes gallon number 2. As you can see, all that went down. So, into the radiator. I think I bought 6 gallons. Number 3. So what I'm gonna do now is start the truck up. To let the air bubbles work their way out or burp it. And as it goes down, I'll add more fluid. I'm also gonna be checking for leaks as well. So here we go, start it up, see how we do. Now I have the heat on high and things of that nature, which is the process that was read for Fords, specifically for the Ford Excursion. Turn everything on high, so I did that. So let it warm up and see what happens. So many of you may be wondering, why is this fool working on his truck in a white shirt? And it's after Labor Day. Well, the bottom line is that this is an old work shirt. And so I have old work shirt, old work pants. You know, what better things to work on your vehicle in any time of the year than old work clothes, right? So anyway, get back to the truck. Look underneath the truck for leaks, okay? What you're looking at there is old, so I don't think there's any leaks. Looking good. I'm gonna wipe that off just to be sure here in a little bit. All right, going back up top. All right, so I'm gonna pause it here, try to finish this up, and I'll get back with you. Okay, so there you go. Job's all done. Everything's in. No leaks. Everything looks good. No leak down below. Everything's put back together. So there it is. The Mustang is still in the shop at Fast Specialties. You know, they're extremely short-staffed right now. It's down to literally the shop foreman working on all the cars. You know, they were hoping to have my car done this summer, but, you know, circumstances just couldn't do it. So I'm trying to be patient and understanding with them while they, you know, work out their issues and also try to get my car done. So in between time, you know, I'm going to be filming other content for the channel. Like I said, this is primarily a Mustang channel, you know, a Fox Body channel, but other content's going to be on there as well. So especially in the meantime, I don't even have my car. So I know in a couple of months, I'm going to have a surprise for you guys. It's going to involve a couple of other guys. One of them, I believe you know very well. So stay tuned. If you like this video, I would have really appreciated if you would hit that like and that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. You know, because these days we need all support that we can get. So anyway, I appreciate you watching. Hope you have a great day.